Welcome to Crackers TV. This is the complete collection of Diwali 29 cracker stash. It has all varieties from sky shells, fancy crackers, multi shots, and normal crackers. A few these fancy items I purchased in Hosur, and all the Sony brands purchased online because not many shops has it, and these standard crackers is from directly from them, purchased online. The problem with the Hosur is they keep the old stock, and sometimes it's hard to bargain, and they sell it with a very high price and very difficult to bargain. So few, that's why I chose to buy a few things from online. Let's see one by one. So this is Naveen's Wonderla 120 Crackling shot. Price mentioned as 18,000, but I got it for 800 rupees after a heavy bargain. They were not ready to reduce below 1000, but managed to get it for 800 rupees. This is Vinayaga's matrix missile, so it shoots with sound. I got this from Sony. I bought it for 220 rupees. This is Varshini's multi shots. Price mentioned as 2400. I bought it around 150 rupees after again heavy bargain. This is Subhash 2-inch single shots. Purchased it for 80 rupees. This is Color Koti from Supreme Fireworks. Purchased it around 250 rupees. This is Sony's 12 shots Angry Birds. This is around 100 rupees, 100 or 120 rupees. This is Gold Rush from Standard Fireworks. Price mentioned as 1800. I purchased it around 240 rupees. This is bought from Hosur. This is Gold Spectrum from Supreme Fireworks. 2 pieces. First day purchased around 180 rupees. This is a fancy flower pot from Supreme, and this is 1.5-inch shells from Standard Fireworks. I did one standard Starfire green. It didn't impress much. This price is about 940 for 10, so definitely not worth the money. I don't recommend anyone to buy this from Standard. This is confetti from Standard Fireworks. Purchased around 200 rupees. It bursts with color papers. You can hold it in your hand also. This is Mercury siren and siren from Supreme. The big one is around 240 rupees for 3 piece, and this Mercury is for like 170 rupees. This is dancing Chikara from Supreme. So it bursts out with chakras, minimum like 7 to 10 chakras. This is Rangoli from Standard. So it's just a single shot. It goes up and shoots. This is Rainbow Smoke from Supreme. Normal stuff. Chakras, stars. This is Jade Flowers. This is again around 240 rupees. serpent from Sony, 15 per box. Then crackers, sparkles, standard sparkles, and this is Sony blueberry 2.5-inch shell. It has a good weight. There is no price information. Yeah, here it is. So it mentioned as 2,590. I purchased it for about 300 rupees. I love the product from Sony. It's great. So this is Bloom Park 1-inch shell from Sony. I bought it for 138 rupees. So all the 1-inch shell is around 90 to 140 range from Sony. This is Silver Garden. Price mentioned as 930 rupees. Purchased it for 140 rupees. This is Mercury, 25 pieces. Purchased it for about 50 rupees. This is Star Night, small aerial shell. It's amazing. And this is Akash Chakra. It shoots out, goes up, spins for some time, and do a burst. This is Crackling shot, red, World Wonders. All these are about 96 rupees for 5 piece. I have already posted a video on World Wonders, Crackling shot, and Golden Dragon. So these are all great shells from Sony Vinayaka. I would give a 10 out of 10 rating for these shots, considering the price and the shell size and the amount of display. This is Barcelona, Spain, 2.5-inch from Sony. This is about 240 rupees for 2 piece. Lily Magnolia. Again, I've already posted video about Lily Magnolia. This is about 138 rupees for 3 pieces. This is Cactus range. This is amazing shell from Sony. Price mentioned as 2,000 rupees. I purchased it for 570 rupees. Definitely this is overpriced from the last year. Last year I heard it was selling for around 450 rupees. So due to the strike, employees and the workers in Sivakasi did not return to their original work. So they have migrated to other cities to pursue other work. So in future, definitely the price is going to get higher. This is Polar Star. This is a big 5-inch shell from Sony Vinayaka. Looking for price. Mentioned as 1,332. Purchased it for 616 rupees. This is Blue Octopus, again 5-inch shell, for 616 rupees. This is big one from Sony Duos X-Men. This is a large shell. You can see compare the size. This is around 660 rupees. And this is Gurusami's Orange Masti. This is a big 5-inch shell, about 550 rupees for 2 piece. Hot Girls and World War, both are 5-inch shells from Sony, about 616 rupees. And this is Mela 4-inch shell. This is again one of the amazing shells from Sony. It bursts out with multiple shots with crackling sound. price around 570 rupees. That's all, my friends. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to post videos testing each of these crackers. Thank you for watching.